Students should enroll in careers with children if they have an interest in working with children, be it infants, toddlers, school age, even up to high school. It's just if you have an interest in it and to see if it's really the field that you want to go into for your future. You get to really know what it's like in the field, so you get front-loaded with all the information that you need to go and work at a job site. Yes, a job site. That's exactly what it sounds like. So for the first quarter, you're in here learning everything you need to know. Depending on the age you're thinking of wanting to work with, we find a job site, and then you go to that site and work, and you get your feet wet to be like, this is really real world stuff. This is how it is. They really get to feel, without having to pay for school just yet, what it's like in the field. I hope they have a ton of fun, because I like to have fun. You don't want to be bored in class, so we do a lot of hands-on learning projects. You learn best by doing. So if you just have fun with it, it's not going to work out the first time, and you just kind of mold through it, and just see on both sides how it is on the child side, and then how is it for the adults and everyone working around it to make that program work.